I tried Interactive Brokers Bitcoin wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Interactive Brokers Bitcoin wallet feature, I thought it would feel like every other trading app. But after 7 days, the shocking truth is that this platform might be one of the most efficient and underrated ways to buy and hold Bitcoin, especially for serious investors. On day 1, setup was seamless. If you already have an Interactive Brokers account, adding crypto is just a few clicks away. There is no need to create a new wallet or memorize seed phrases. Everything runs under the same secure account infrastructure trusted by professionals worldwide. By day 2, I started exploring trading options. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other major coins directly in your brokerage account. The spreads are incredibly tight, often better than most crypto exchanges. That's because Interactive Brokers partners with Paxos for execution, ensuring regulated and transparent pricing. Midweek, I tested performance and fees. Trades executed almost instantly, and commissions were as low as 0.12%. For comparison, many retail exchanges charge 2 to 5 times more. Most people don't realize how much they lose to hidden fees, but here every number is clearly displayed before you confirm. By day 5, I started appreciating the integration. I could see my crypto alongside stocks, options, and futures, all in one portfolio dashboard. That's powerful. It treats Bitcoin not as a novelty, but as part of a balanced investment strategy. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. The Interactive Brokers Bitcoin wallet isn't flashy, but it's built for trust, transparency, and scale. It's not chasing trends, it's providing a professional-grade gateway for crypto exposure. If you're serious about investing and want institutional-level execution without the chaos of unregulated exchanges, Interactive Brokers quietly delivers one of the most stable crypto experiences in the market.